Hello Anjule, my name is Sonam Choron. I'm from Government Middle School, Saspol. So first of all, I would like to express my sincere appreciation for this insightful training of 5 days on capacity building here in Nandritam, for which I would like to express my thank you and gratitude to Nandritam and Diet Lay. All the sessions were full of insights. All the sessions were very interesting, very effective, and especially the one on experiential learning was very good. We From which we learned so many things, how to make our classrooms more interactive, more engaging by introducing more and more activities in our classrooms. And then the sessions on maths and science were very interesting and very effective, with hands-on learnings and real life experiences. The science experiments were very interesting, though we use many of these in our schools, but most of the things were very new for us. Um, then the leadership session on leadership was very effective, which will help us to run our schools in more better ways. And since we all here are government teachers, and most of we all are heads of our schools, so we were expecting more on school management and classroom management. Um so maybe in next sessions or next trainings, we expect to get such trainings on school management. Rest Nanditam in itself is very beautiful and very peaceful place, within the lap of nature. So we all enjoyed very much here, and you people in Nandritam are staying here as a family, where the youngers respect their elders, and the young elders love their youngers, and it's very beautiful to see. We had field visit, and that was very enjoyable, and see so many we saw so many things in and around Nanditam. So thank you for the field visit. And beside these pedagogical trainings, we learned so many things from by visiting your school and seeing the environment of your school campus, that everyone is staying peacefully in a very simple manner. Life is so simple here. That is a very good thing, and you people doing very great job for the upliftment of the students from underprivileged society, section of our society. That is very amazing, and we have no words to express. We have seen the books the Felix School of Education is using here, especially for the foundational stage. The books are very interesting, and each and every exercise on the book is just based on activities and no pen paper used in foundational stage. We Many of us have given demand for those books to get them in our schools, so that we can do this type of activities at least in our foundation stage, where children cannot read and write, because all these are just activity based, and we can do very easily with our small children, just in a playway method. And all what I have learned here, I will definitely going to share with my staff and everyone, and we are going to apply all these things in our schools in our best possible way. And from here I learned that uh, we have to use whatever resources we have in the best possible manner, without thinking of buying something very expensive for creating TLMs. We can use the whatever available, cheap and best, we can say, in our schools. And rest, I would like to thank everyone, the whole family of Nandritam Diatley, for sending us here, and everyone involved in this organization of this store come training for we all here. From the bottom of my heart, I would like to express my gratitude for everyone. Thank you so much.